Glacier Gangs. They both eat fish, they both love to swim, they both make their homes in the coldest places in the world. Polar bears and penguins are two of the world's favorite winter weather animals. But did you know that they live on opposite ends of the globe? Polar bears are found only in the northern hemisphere in the Arctic Circle region. Penguins are found only in the southern hemisphere from the Galapagos Islands to the coast of Antarctica. Penguins are birds that cannot fly. They also cannot see very well on land. They have much better eyesight once in the water. Knowing the colors in the ocean helps them avoid being eaten by predators like killer whales. Penguins are good swimmers. When traveling on ice, they often slide on their bellies using their flippers and feet to push themselves along. In the penguin family, the male is responsible for taking care of the unhatched eggs. He uses his feet to keep an egg off the ice. The female is the food hunter. Penguins like to eat small fish, small squids, and a small kind of shrimp called krill. They don't have teeth, so they don't chew their food. Once the babies are hatched, they will stay in the nest until both parents decide they don't need to be watched constantly. Polar bears are the largest carnivores that live on land and the only bear considered to be a marine mammal. They look like they have white fur, but they don't. Each hair shaft is transparent and has no color. These hair shafts have a hollow core that reflect the light in the same way that the ice and snow does. Polar bears have black skin, a thick layer of fat and fur that helps retain body heat. A polar bear's coat is oily and repels water. They are strong swimmers, able to swim for several hours at one time over long distances. Polar bears love to eat seals, but will also eat reindeer, seabirds, ducks, fish, and eggs. They prefer to travel on sea ice. A female polar bear usually has twin cubs. She digs a den in late October before giving birth and stays in the den with her cubs until March or April. Polar bears usually live to be about 20 years old.